We're learning more about the virus itself. How does it get spread from person to person? What seems to be emerging is a profile of this infectious virus that seems to be passed from person to person whenever people are in close quarters. That's really what has made us pivot to recommending masks. Because in addition to keeping that space, in addition to doing the hand hygiene, we know that using masks can actually help add that extra layer of protection. It doesn't have to be an official mask if you're not doing medical activities. It could be a cloth mask. As long as it's got thick cloth and that there's several layers there, we've actually been able to track down some patterns of cloth masks that people can use. We've got those on our website. The best thing you can do is to kind of retreat into your own home. And in the few minutes that you do need to go out, go ahead and wear a mask. You're really going to save lives just by making that simple decision. The Conquer COVID team is every single person in this county. We all have a role to play.